Hello and welcome, friends. Today I'll be talking about house number one. House number one inspires, a drive to work, independence. Under no circumstances, clutter this house with furniture or too many stuff. It should be very uncluttered, neat and clean dimensions and space. A number one house is the type of house which catches the attention of others as they pass. You know, the people living in number one house often use white, gold, and orange in and around their home. And this house quite often belongs to a person with a high position in work, one who has a definite ambition. Number one people themselves can be, at times snobs. That is also there. So be cautious about that you do not become that. It can be a house of people who are famous, noteworthy. A person who has not been well for some time will improve in a number one house. So as I have always said, that number one house is a house of ambition, independence, drive, creativity, a leader. So similarly, number one house also denotes that uh, it is a house where you won't be getting too much of partnership kind of feeling. Here, a person or whoever stays in this house, there might be 3 members, 4 members, all will be kind of doing their own stuff, leaders in their own capacities. So that's all about number one house. Thank you.